Hey, it's Roberto Mickey again, and we've got a great video today on repairing this Neewer 76-inch tripod. I've been using this tripod since 2021, and I've been really impressed with how lightweight it is and yet how strong and sturdy it is. It is an aluminum frame, and it works extremely well for what I want to use it for in the operating room, so we can get height and we can see above the operating room table. About 1 year ago, this started happening where the brakes no longer held the legs in a locked position. So I emailed the company and they said that there's a small screw on the back of the brake that you can screw in and tighten if it gets loose. And this is exactly what we did, and it solved the problem. And you can see in the video that that's the screw right there that you'd use, and you have to use a small Allen wrench, and you can twist it to loosen it, and you can also twist it to tighten it in a clockwise fashion, and this will make the brake tighter. So this is another view of that little screw that you need to tighten or loosen if you want to make the brake or clamp a little bit stronger or lighter. There's a second clamp on each leg which also has a screw which you can tighten and loosen to adjust the tightness of the clamp. Well, thanks for watching and hope you found this video helpful. Please hit like and subscribe to help out this channel.